Marie, and you're watching Marie's Stuff. So, how are you doing today? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like have a go at my penultimate elves box. Say that in a hurry. Yeah, I've got one more of these coming and then that's it. I thought this was the last one, but it's not. I always forget that they do them in, sorry, sort of out of sync. Oh, look. Stress November Elves box, Stress Ball. Ooh, exclusive new. Let's have a look at that in a minute. New squishy gel apparently. Oh, these are always handy. Nice big ones. I've got some mica powders, some gold, and red, I presume. Okay, let's have a look at the molds. This is what I want to see. Ooh. Oh, it's a 3D one. Oh, that's good. Oh, cool. Yeah, looking forward to doing that one. Then we've got containers. Oh, we've got a little dice one by the look. I wonder what dice that is. We've got the squishy gel and we've got the squishy gel colorant. Cool. And that's it, isn't it? Yeah. Not bad. That's a really big mould, so yeah, I wasn't expecting an awful lot more, to be totally honest with you. Happy New Year for everyone. This will be my first one of the new year, and I know I promised I'd start off with a bang, but my body had other ideas regarding that one. Because you might be able to hear I'm still a bit croaky, not too bad now, but still a bit croaky when I'm recording this. And yeah, had a great Christmas, came back in the new year, fell foul of Christmas funk, I think. I don't know, blooming flu of some sort. Yeah, not good. Couldn't sit up for days. Just about managing to sit up now. So, anyway, yeah, I might leave that there. I know it's a really quick one, but what I am going to do, I am going to do this mould, but what I'd like your opinions on, and I will put it on Facebook, etc., is what molds you would like to see next. So hang on, I've got a few. Let me have a look. Okay. I have got the skull mold that I still haven't done. Okay, let's give you 3 selections. Look. Let me move this away. I have, right. These, I don't know if you can see them, but they're cute little 2 different cute hedgehogs. Oh, sorry about that. There's the mould that we got from Sophie and Toffee that I still haven't used yet, and there's this mould that I got 2 Christmases ago, which you might like to see. I don't know what it's an angel, I suppose, but it's no, I can't think. It's got a special name and I can't think of it right now. But yeah, so A is the hedgehogs, B is the skull, and C is the angel-y one. So let me know in the comments, A, B or C. Even if just one person comments, then that's the choice that I'll make. Okay. Take care. I'll put it on Facebook as well. And yeah, have a great week. if I don't manage to get any more done than this. If I don't get manage to get any more done than this, then the stressful will be the next one you see, next project you see, and then it'll be whoever's chosen from this 3 as to what you'll see next. Okay? Take care.
Well, that's everything. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, let me know how I can improve in the comments section below. Please be kind, I'm not a professional. So, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind to each other. Thanks for watching. Bye!